Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connections. Click on open it. You just need to right click on your Ethernet and select properties. Select QoS pocket scheduler and select configure. Select yes. Select advanced tab and you just need to scroll down and find speed duplex. Just select it. On right side you just need to click on under the values drop down and set this to 100 Mbps half duplex and then select click on OK. And now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. In device manager you just need to expand the network adapter section and right click on your network adapter. If you don't know your network adapter, then you just need to go to search menu and type view network connections. Now as you can see your network adapter name listed under here. Realtek PCIe GBE family controller. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now right click on your Ethernet adapter and select uninstall device and check mark attempt to remove the driver for this device and then select uninstall. After uninstalling it, you just need to select action tab and select scan for hardware changes. And after doing it, just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.